I've been telling everybody, social media marketing agency. I'm with my man Chin. Got us in the club. We're a little tipsy here. Vika, are you okay? But what are you at right now, revenue-wise?
We're over 130K a month.
130K a month. I've been telling people since 2016. The best business to start, the easiest. You don't need cash to start.
You don't need nothing to start. Listen, I started this business. I've known this guy for about 5-6 years now. The social media thing has been crushing it. You know, we've gone over.
You got luxury brands, right?
Luxury brands, 130K a month. It's, you know, everybody's after the social media. But
the world's asleep. The world's asleep.
And like you say, these businesses don't know how to do it.
They don't know how to do it, so they'll pay him.
Yeah.
They could be paying you. I've been telling people, hey, go watch this little training. Click below or whatever in the description. You can watch how I'll train you how to do it. Chin's the man, he knows how to do it. There's basically people who know how to do it and people who don't. There's people who are awake and people who are sleeping in the system. So Chin, how much capital did it take you to start? Not that much, right?
No, pretty much nothing. It was just literally, you know, having the idea, knowing that these businesses wanted it, and then just going after it with a little bit of hustle, but not really much at all.
We got honking horns going. London's crazy this time. We were at Libertine, DJ Who Kid. Hey, so basically, how do you get them to pay you? What do you tell them? You just walk in and you call them, you email them, you DM them. How do you start?
Yeah, so we've got plenty of ways to get their attention. But once we get their attention, it's really just about showing them how much money they're leaving on the table by not doing social media.
You do Facebook ads for them?
Facebook ads, LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram.
I've created an industry and people aren't listening. Listen. Sometimes you just gotta trust somebody. Not think everything's a scam. You know? I'm gonna put a link. You got 3 days, less than 3 days left. I'm doing scholarships for people. You wanna get on Chin's level, it might take you a while. You might not get on that $100,000 a month level. A month, right? Not a year.
130K a month, above that right now.
I told him to under exaggerate. So Chin, one of the things you were asking me is, taxes, you're making too much money now.
Yeah. Now, I was asking you about where am I supposed to put my money so I can get it out without paying the government so much.
That's a good problem to have. I hope every one of you need a trading program because you're making money and you want to legally minimize your taxes. And you know what I'm saying? Like most people's problem, you were like me. We didn't grow up with money.
No.
Tell them how you grew up.
I grew up poor as fuck. Like I grew up so poor that, you know, I've slept in a park. I've had, you know, slept in a church at one point.
From homeless to $130,000 a month. Just remember that.
Yeah.
For all you think this is an actor, you got your head in the sand, baby. You got your head in the sand. You don't think people out here making money? Come on, man. Ferrari, you know how much money Ferrari made? They made money because people are making money. Yep. New money. All you old money people that make fun of new money, at one time you guys were new money. So don't talk too much shit. You guys were new money at one point, and there's never anything wrong with being new money. You know, just respect what you have. Don't go crazy. Uh-oh, we got somebody. Chin, let's drop some knowledge on people right here. My trademark term, knowledge. What's your trade? What if you had one tip to give people out here are still in the masses? They haven't been able to rise up. What's the tip?
Find somebody, like people. Every business, everything I've ever achieved in my life has been down to the fact that I've had a network of people around me. I've sought out, whether it was when the first time I met you, mentors, business partners, network. Like,
don't be afraid of people.
Don't be afraid.
Hey, what's your website where people want to learn more about you?
Yeah,
Insta, whatever.
Yeah, you go Insta, I am Chin Gregory. You'll get everything about me there. But yeah.
I am Chin, CHIN, Gregory. We've been friends for a long time now, man.
It's like 5 years now,
and
right?
we just saw him. He got us in this Libertine club. It's pretty tough to get into, but you know, we made our way. We made our way through the security.
Right. Well, you're friends with them now, right? So
we met the owner. It was kind of cool. I like to see how people do business around the world. So click the link. I'll put a link below, either in the corners, the description. Go there. And all you procrastinators, you know that saying, you snooze, you lose. I got a better one. You stay sleeping, you stay poor, you stay broke. Don't blame the system, don't blame the government. You've been warned, you've been shown the way. And I'm not saying everybody's gonna have his level of success, but if you don't try, all you can look back in life and say, what if? Jeff Bezos, richest man in the world, he said he knew he had to start Amazon because He didn't want to grow old and go, what if? So what if this would work for you? What if? Don't let the world be what ifs. Go do. Life's about action and momentum. It's not about the people who sit and contemplate and have pros and cons Excel spreadsheets. Here's the pro. You got a chance. Here's the con. You'll stay poor. That's your whole Excel spreadsheet for you right there.
100%, man. You gotta take that opportunity, man. Opportunities, they come.
This is a good networker right here. Learn how to network, learn psychology, learn people.